Hi guys, it's Marvin and I just wanted to present you my app Spectrum. The first thing you see is a project page where you can manage your projects, you can create new projects, you can start from a fresh new look, and down below if you exported any videos they are also listed here so you can export them, delete them and manage. We are starting with a new project. You can either select a black canvas and choose the aspect ratio of your composition. You can select one of the many presets we have over here prepared for you, ready to go, and you can open the community tab, which I really recommend you should have a look at because they are all the presets the users of Spectrum created and shared. I wanted to go with the sign preset. I just click on download and apply, and we are straight hopping into the editor view. So you're seeing there's some music playing. You can't hear it because of my audio routing, but if you're using the app, the music plays straight away and the audio is reacting to it. If you click on the top right side on the ... menu icon, you can see that we have several options here. There's the music icon where you can manage the music. You can load from audios or from your own music, and you can even use the microphone as an input source. And the basic concept of Spectrum is that everything is arranged in layers. You can see the layers down here at the bottom bar. You can see that we have a background which is always there. And if you use this little drag handle here, you can expand the options you have. For the background, you can select several options. I wanted to go with an image right now. You can choose from gallery, from Spectrum images, and even use the Unsplash photo API. If you wanted to select a layer, you can just click onto the composition and it selects the layer you wanted to use. In this example, I have a spark layer on top and I have a Spectrum layer down below. I wanted to remove the spark layer. So I click on the spark layer, click on the little cross over here. Now I have only Spectrum running and I can adjust everything inside of this layer. For example, the style of the Spectrum, the color, and many more things. At the bottom bar, on the right side, you have also the option to add more layers. You can add up to 6 layers in the Pro version. I just wanted to add a little star field over here. Then I wanted to change the order of the layers. I click on the plus button, down at the bottom, reorder layers. I wanted to have the star field below the Spectrum. I click apply, and we changed the order of the layers. On top of the layers and everything, you also have effects. If you click on the bottom bar on effects, you can see that we have global effects, which are quite cool, and they are music reactive if you like. One which I really enjoy, for example, is the bloom effect. We click on music reactive and we turn it on a little bit, and whenever the bass hits in, there is some bloom coming in. You can just play around with all those effects. They are pretty cool ones. They are applied globally to the whole composition, and if you're ready to go, you can export your composition. You click on the top right menu, then you click on the share icon, and you can either record or you can export the whole composition. If you just wanted to get a little bit creative, in the menu we also have the randomizer available for you, which just randomizes the visuals. And if you long press on the randomizer icon, you can see that we have a lot of things which you can adjust over here. We wanted to go for an cinematic, monochrome, dramatic effect. Now the randomizer is configured and we are ready to go for generating some cool visuals for you to go. This is the basic idea behind Spectrum. I hope you guys enjoy it a lot and create some beautiful pieces with it. Let me know if you have any questions or ideas for new features, and see you in the next video.